Tower 1363 up Papa. Established on the island 19. With 863 Papa, good afternoon.
You're ready for it. Ready for it.
Contact ground 12160 Hold on, 65, still 65. Bravo 8, ready for departure. Bravo Double, Wizz Air 4, via Bravo 8, line up 1 line left. Via Bravo 8, line up 1 line left, triple line. Wizz 863 Papa, triple twin, 18015, 19 right, triple line. Clear to land, 19 right, 863 Papa. Okay, will be number 2, number 1 on your right side to minimize average delay.
הייתי יכול לעבוד מטוס, אמרתי שלא יגיע...
Wizz Air 4, subsequent 18010, 1 line left, your legal. Yeah, Takeoff 190 left, Wizz Air 4. KL 902 behind the departing Wizz Air, line up and wait behind.
Behind the departing Wizz Air. Behind.
Great.
Okay, lining up. Alright. Yes, dear.
KL 902, subsequent 180 and 8 knots, 1 line left, 0 clear for you.
Clear for takeoff, 190 left. Clear for takeoff.
Wind 863 Papa, contact ground 12160 12160 Swiss 863. Wizz Air 4, contact Oslo 118475.
Good.
118475 Wizz Air 4, goodbye. Continue full, 0,